I think I should not share this video, but I think it's good for people that always use gas cylinder, yes, in their house. So that's a problem when it explode. And now this news coming and become a sad news for their families. So I should bring it for people that use gas cylinders in their house. Make sure that you prepare well to avoid the explosion, because you never bring back happiness, bring back your whole family by your lack of preparation on gas cylinder explosion. It happened such a scary, yes, that explosion such a scary that I have never seen before, and their families, yes, it means 4 people died in that accident, and it's so sad for them, and many people start to donate or join their mourn, yes, because really like sad, yes, sad for people that lost in their family because of this explosion. Yes, it really scary, really, this explosion. Just near the central of capital city in Cambodia, the Phnom Penh city. So they run a business on selling gas and gas cylinder, yes, and it start exploding, yes. And it look like scary, and we cannot imagine that it would happen like that, and they lost their family, and because yes, that a problem during that day, that have a high temperature and some environment that connect with some rope, yes, of electric rope, yes, that make it easy for explosion. Yes, we should prepare well on that. It's such a scary explosion for me that I think again and again, should I share this over the YouTube, because it looked like I mean I take over the privacy of their family, but sometimes I should share. I think again I should share for you to be careful with that, because like I said, that we may bring back if it's gone, so we can prepare something like that. And it's like a scary explosion for me. Yeah, I think that should not be happen. Okay, today maybe we don't have happy news, but I think this is still a must news for you, yes, that have to prepare. And sometimes you're busy on your work, so maybe you don't focus on something that around your house or the kitchen. But I think in a developed country that maybe there's no problem, because they have a high quality product or checking every part on gas cylinder. But still we have to concentrate and focus on it. Yes. And now I'm gonna say goodbye right now, and see you next video. Yes.